Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the equation symbols and structures on the office.com website to insert to your Word document. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, open your document, and after that you should tap on the insert button at the top of the screen on the left side. Then go to the right side of the screen. At the top you can find this equation button, so tap on it, and here you can find the symbols section, so you can choose from these categories on the left side of this section, such as Greek letters, basic math, letter-like symbols, operators, arrows, and so on. And here you can find the structures as well, and they are also organized into distinct categories: script, fractions, bracket, and so on. So just simply tap on the relevant one, and then it will be inserted here at the top. And if you want to insert it to your page, just tap on the insert on page button and it will be added here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.